oh, do da day, la, do da, la.
What's up everybody? We are here. I've gone and checked in. They told me to come on in and back into any one of the docks. Y'all will see just how fun this place is going to be, because there is no way that I'm going to be able to. I guess I'll let these cars come by first. To back into the docks, because of that one flatbed that's dropped right there. That one drop trailer is going to hinder me from being able to back in off the street. So I've got to pull into the street, into the thing, and then hang a U-turn in their parking lot here. Man, that is a beautiful truck right there. Man, that's a pretty KW. But it's a good thing the guy just moved this trailer from right here. There was a trailer dropped right here, so that gives me a little leeway. But I've got to hang the U-turn in the parking lot here to back into the dock, because there's no way I can swing my nose around to get the trailer, you know, in here. I wouldn't be able to swing it. Now I've got to find a way to be able to turn here. So see, and I don't know if I can hang the U-turn right here without clipping the wall, so I'm thinking I may have to back into here, pull out, and then back up. That's going to be my train of thought to do this. Trees everywhere. This isn't the best ideal location, that is for sure. Yeah, it's a little tight in here, y'all, to say the least. I mean, you know, I got a concrete wall over here. Got a tree over here. Whoopsie, sorry. Sorry, camera. Woo, Lord, see? I know I knocked my camera around, y'all, I'm sorry. But, you know. Because I'm going to them docks, one of them two docks over there, so. All right, y'all, I think I'm good. I can see I'm good on clearing that car over there. So see, these are the things you had to contend with in trucking, because there was no way I could have pulled in the street and then backed into the dock here. No way could I have hung the U-turn in the parking lot there. There just wasn't enough room with the car parked right there. Now maybe if that black car wasn't parked where he was at, maybe there would have been a chance. But from where they were parked at, there was no way. There was no way it was happening. Oopsie, and I want to come and try to hang over on this side to get away from that tree first. Go around the tree, and then I'll snake it back over there to the right. Doo-dah, doo-dah. See, now, that one black one wasn't right there. I probably could have had some room to turn and hang the U-turn, but because of that being there, nope, it made it just too tight. Because, you know, you got to worry about your trailer swinging and hitting the wall. I'm just gonna take it and put it on that one corner, far corner dock over there. probably shouldn't, but I'm gonna try for it. If I think it's gonna be a cluster muck, I may just, because you know, you can see the, I don't know if you can see, but you've got the stairs right there. But I'm trying to make sure I do not catch. Doo-dah, doo-dah, and I think I'm actually good, to be honest. Oh yeah, I'm good. Look at that, y'all. Let's get out here and give it a look-see. Oh yeah, y'all. It's a little cocked. I'll give it a look and see. I mean, it's a little cocked sideways, but I may have to give it a pull up, straighten it out a little. But let's see. Yeah, I'll pull forward and straighten it out just a little. You know, my main concern was coming in and catching that right there, but I'll pull forward and straighten it out. Because you see, I had to contend with these poles, the natural gas there. So I had to make sure I didn't catch any of that. So I know I don't have to worry about the forklift guy as long as I look and I see that garage door still closed. I know he's not there yet to be trying to put the gate in, so I got a little time. So why not? Let's go ahead and straighten her up. Come on, brakes. You can do it. Release. There we go. We're gonna pull up here a little more. Push it over to the side just a little bit more. Now we'll jackknife it hard back over. Now that we're jacking it pretty good, now let's straighten her up.
Come on, man.
Go slow so I can make sure that I'm clear. Okay, yeah, I'm clear. Make sure I'm clear of the thing. Of the ramp coming up. There we go. Now that, I believe, is much straighter, much better. Yeah. At least I hope. How's it going? Yeah, it's still a little cocked, y'all, but it'll work. Yeah, we're good. And that'll make it, y'all. All right. Now we'll come on in here, then we'll go back inside and we'll check in with the guy again. I left my paperwork in there, but we'll just, you know, I'm assuming that guy that just walked in, he's probably the receiving clerk. And we'll call it a day, y'all. Peace out. All right, y'all. Well, they got the load off, but they said there was a couple of them, or actually said every one of the rolls had a little bit of damage on them from the rivets that were in the trailer. Because since you had the rivets on the columns going up, it had a little bit of damage where the roll was up against it and the vibration, I guess, whatever. So there was a little rivet damage. So I took some pictures to hand that out to show her just in case. So we'll get that to my dispatcher and see, no way to come in. See, there's no way to come out this way Because with that drop trailer there and that drop trailer there, that one guy, he kept trying to come in from this way, come in here from this direction. He couldn't make it, couldn't make the turn because the trailer was going to clip this trailer right here on the corner. So he ended up going down there and then coming back and coming in, which is how I came in, because you had this whole wide open section right there that you could make the swing in and push it all the way up to right there. So that's what I did, y'all. But yeah, I'm jetting out. It's time to roll on. Cause see, with the gate, see, I'm swinging
in 1/4 mile,
here,
turn left on West Van Buren Street.
Against the curb, and my trailer just did clear the curb and the gate leaving. So, you know, it is a tight place, but
turn left on West Jefferson Street.
I mean, the trailer got unloaded. It's all good. So I'm going to a truck stop now to do my reset. I may put this out today. I think I'm actually going to put this video out today. I'll put it out at like, I was going to say 3 o'clock, but yeah, it's 1 o'clock now. So may not have it done by 3 p.m. East Coast time, because I am 3 hours behind y'all right now, being where I'm at. So I will get it to y'all as quick as I can go find me a place to park. I'm hoping I can get in and out of this truck stop, or should I say get into it, because on the daytime satellite image, it's full. I don't know what time that satellite image was taken, but it shows the parking lot is full. It's Monday, it is 10:02 a.m. right now.
Turn left at the stop sign.
Everybody is gone to go deliver their freaking loads. So that's what I'm hoping. So, right. Anyway, y'all have a good, safe, blessed day. We'll talk to y'all later. Peace out.